Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to not get copyright on TikTok. So if you want to not get copyright on TikTok, if you are using the copyright videos or videos of others, then you need to simply follow the steps on in the video. To do so, open TikTok on a device, click on the plus like icon at the very center of the screen, or if you are using any other sound, then click on the option of use sound. Simply click on the option of use sound and record the video if you want to keep or do the video of your thing. So after that, click on the tick like icon and click on the option of next, and make sure that you are not using any type of copyrighted music or you are not using the music of others. So if in case you are using the others sound, then make sure to give credit to them and click on the option of next and upload the videos. Or you may also add give credit to them by keeping the name of the creator on description, or using the video or sound by going and clicking on the profile icon at the very bottom right of the page. So if you are using it from here, the copyright may not arrive on your screen. And make sure that you don't upload any kind of movies or things on TikTok, and otherwise you may get the copyright issue or get violation from it. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please make sure to subscribe the channel and don't forget to like the video. Thank you.